Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today I'm going to, I've already got my makeup on. I've got a milk moustache. A milk moustache? No, I've not got a milk moustache. I have got a highlighter moustache. But I thought I would just come on. I am in the middle of filming another video which is on this look. I haven't finished it. Just need to put my lippy on and I need to put some lashes on. So I just thought I would do a video on how I do my lashes. I have not been one for lashes for a very long time. I try to avoid them because I know once you get into lashes there's no going back. You look at everything and go, God, that would look so much nicer with lashes. I'm not blessed with lashes as such. They're alright lashes, they curl up, they're okay, they're a lot better than others. My nose is itching like a absolute crazy. When you do a look like this, or well, like anything, you always hanker for that. I really would love some lashes. So I do have a baggie of lashes of various types and slowly I'm getting through them. I have the Duo lash glue which says do not freeze. You know when you get told do not do something, you really want to, just to see what happens with it. But anyway, I'm going to use the Duo lash glue. So these are the heart lashes I got in a little set a couple of weeks ago. I don't know what they're called, first class I think, something like that. And they did come with some lash adhesive, the Tarte lash adhesive. I have not tested the lash glue on myself. I don't know if I would react. So whenever you go to use any new lash glue, any products like that, especially going around the eyes, make sure you test them first on your skin, on another part of your body, your like here, on your arm, on your somewhere, which if you're going to have a reaction, it's not going to make you blind. I have this. This is a little lash tool. You've probably seen me use it before. Some scissors, always using scissors. You need your scissors to help cut your lashes to the desired length, and obviously your lash glue. I've got, as normal, several mirrors, a big mirror in front of me so I can see far away, and then a handheld mirror just so I can get up close and see what's going on. When I take my lashes, I'm not very good at taking them out. We're just going to peel them off because they won't come away. So you peel your lashes off. Some of them you just pull, you're able to pull them down, but I was worried. These are very coarse feeling. Some of them are very soft, these are very coarse. So you can see the lash there. You can see that this end is shorter than this end. So am I able to? You can see that the lash shorter one end and flares out slightly in another. These are quite a dramatic, long, wispy lash. Like, look at the length of that. So the shorter end is obviously on the inner part of your eyelash. So if I line that up onto my eye, you can see that it's quite a lot longer. So I need to cut off probably, I would say, a good 3. You can see on there, it's kind of like in little groups, so it's 1, 2, 3. So I cut off 3. And it's always from the outside, not the inside, so not the inner. Right, so let's have a look now. Yep, so that would fit pretty well. We're then going to pop some of this lash glue just on the band and let that dry for a little bit. I'm going to pick up that original one, the first one, give it a little roll, rolling it around makes it a little bit more curved. Using your lash tweezers makes me very nervous when people use normal tweezers around their eye. If you've slipped or anything like that, it's not going to fare very well. Obviously with this you could still poke yourself in the eye, but it's not a pointy thing. Okay, probably not the best way of doing it on this eye. Lay it right down onto that base of those lashes. Don't worry about them, it's sticking. And then using this little lash tool, sticking the end down, and then I squeeze. Using this, I'll squeeze my lashes and the fake lashes together. It's all stuck down, and then you can use your finger just to make sure, just to press it, and then I push them up slightly, and that's that one on. You'll probably be able to see it better with this one. Picking up the other one, giving it a good roll, grabbing your lash tweezers near to the base, and then right on that base of that lash, pop it on. I mean, I've not done this for very long whatsoever, but I do find most lashes, I'll jinx it now, won't I? Most lashes pop on, especially with this little tool. If you are going out, obviously you'll be going out if you've got your lashes on. When you do go out, pop your lash tweezers and your lash glue into your bag when you go out, just to make sure. So if something does happen and you lose, like, it's usually an inner corner or an outer corner, you can just gently peel it back a little bit and stick that on. Hi, future editing Romany here. I'm just editing obviously this video that you're seeing this in, and I realised that my lash application explanation wasn't that great. That's the dog growling. There is a man walking past and she's feeling the need to protect her house. Summer. For a little dog, she's got a mean old growl. Anyway, yes, so it wasn't that in-depth. Hopefully you will find it still interesting. There is a lot that I left out. There is a lot that I skimmed. Christ. Anyway. Yes, so it wasn't as in-depth as what I wanted it to be. I filmed it halfway through doing that look that you saw, and I thought I would try and be smart and film another video in between doing that look. I hadn't thought it through. I hadn't processed in my mind what I needed to cover, what I needed to go over, and I wanted to try and keep it as simple and as quick as possible. There are obviously so many other steps that you can do to make your lashes look good. I completely forgot to add that I had eyeliner already on, I had mascara already on. There was a lot that I forgot to mention, but I thought I'd still upload the video because you can see how easy it is to apply lashes. I am not an expert at applying lashes. I've only been using lashes for a while. I don't use them all the time. I don't wear them all the time, only for like special occasions or when I want to really jazz up a look, or I'm wearing a look that's quite a dramatic look that I want to make the most of it. I am doing a step-by-step 101 guide, and I'm slowly going through different things. I've already covered skincare. I've just filmed one for primers. So I will eventually get on to eyelashes, of which I will go through step by step everything that I do, everything you can do to make your lash application a lot easier. I hope you still enjoy this video, and please obviously comment below your little tips, what you like to do for your lashes. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you found that helpful. Don't forget, check out this look that I've done, and I will see you all later. Bye.